Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're venturing into a world of breathtaking landscapes and unique architectural challenges. We're exploring the resilient, beautiful, and highly innovative world of desert climate homes. This is a design philosophy that is not just about building a house, but about creating a sanctuary that works in perfect harmony with its rugged and demanding environment. From scorching sun to dramatic temperature swings, these homes are a masterclass in clever engineering and stunning aesthetics. If you're captivated by sun-drenched horizons, earthy tones, and a sense of peaceful isolation, this video is your ultimate guide to living beautifully in the heat. Desert Climate Homes House Design is an architectural discipline that defines a home based on its response to the extreme conditions of an arid or semi-arid environment. The core meaning of this design is rooted in resilience, sustainability, and a deep respect for the landscape. Unlike conventional homes built for temperate climates, desert homes are purpose-built to manage intense heat, high solar radiation, and the scarcity of water. This is achieved through specific design features that have been refined over centuries, such as thick, insulating walls, minimal and strategically placed windows to reduce solar gain, and flat roofs or extended overhangs to provide essential shade. The design philosophy also emphasizes the use of locally sourced materials like adobe, stone, and stucco, allowing the home to naturally integrate into its surroundings. Ultimately, a desert home is a thoughtful and functional piece of architecture that is designed not to fight its environment, but to coexist with it, creating a tranquil and energy-efficient living space. Adopting a desert climate home design offers a host of practical and aesthetic benefits that make it an increasingly popular choice for homeowners. Firstly, a major advantage is the inherent energy efficiency and sustainability of the design. Traditional desert architecture, such as the use of thick masonry or adobe walls, provides superior thermal mass. This means the walls absorb the sun's heat during the day and release it slowly at night, keeping the interior cool without relying heavily on air conditioning. The strategic placement of windows and use of shaded courtyards or patios further reduces the need for artificial cooling, significantly lowering energy consumption and cost. Secondly, these homes create a profound sense of tranquility and connection to the landscape. The design often features low-profile structures that blend into the horizon, creating a harmonious and organic feel. The use of natural earth tones and textures, along with the incorporation of protected outdoor spaces like courtyards or pergolas, allows residents to enjoy the stunning, stark beauty of the desert in a comfortable and private setting. Living in a home designed to complement its environment fosters a deep appreciation for the unique ecosystem and a feeling of peaceful isolation from the outside world. Finally, desert homes are a testament to durability and low maintenance. The materials chosen, such as stucco, stone, and weathered wood, are naturally tough and built to withstand the elements without constant upkeep. The design often incorporates features like xeriscaping, using drought-resistant plants, which minimizes the need for water and intensive gardening. This durability and ease of care make a desert home a practical and long-lasting investment, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the beauty of your surroundings and less time on upkeep. Decorating the exterior of a desert climate home is all about celebrating the environment, not fighting it. The key is to create a look that is both visually stunning and functionally smart. Start by focusing on the color and material palette. Embrace the natural colors of the landscape, using warm earthy tones like terracotta, sand beige, or rich browns for stucco or paint. For a more modern look, a clean white or light gray can provide a striking contrast to the red and orange hues of the desert. Incorporate materials like natural stone, weathered wood, and concrete to add texture and a sense of durability. These materials feel authentic and blend seamlessly with the rugged surroundings. Next, prioritize landscaping and outdoor spaces. The landscaping should be low maintenance and water-wise. Use xeriscaping principles by planting drought-resistant native plants, such as cacti, succulents, and agave. Gravel, decomposed granite, and natural rock can be used to create pathways and define beds, eliminating the need for a water-intensive lawn. Create shaded outdoor living areas with pergolas, large overhangs, or covered patios. These spaces can be decorated with comfortable, durable outdoor furniture and natural fibers and complemented with an outdoor fire pit, providing a perfect spot to enjoy the desert's cool evenings. Finally, add architectural and decorative details that enhance the design's character. Simple, modern lighting fixtures in dark metal can provide a soft, warm glow at night without being obtrusive. Consider a unique front door made of heavy wood or metal. Exposed wooden beams or trellises can add visual interest and provide more shade. These thoughtful touches complete the look, creating a home that is beautiful, functional, and perfectly at home in the desert. Now, let's explore 10 incredible examples that showcase the diversity and beauty of desert climate home design. One, the minimalist modern desert home with a stunning horizontal profile. This design is a masterclass in clean, modern architecture. Its low-slung, horizontal profile with a flat roof allows it to disappear into the landscape, while the stunning floor-to-ceiling glass walls create a seamless connection between the sleek, minimalist interior and the rugged, rocky surroundings. The use of a simple, light-colored exterior and clean lines provides a striking contrast with the raw natural textures of the desert. 2. The bold geometric desert home with a central courtyard. This home makes a powerful architectural statement with its sharp, geometric angles and innovative layout. The exterior features a combination of warm wood and dark, textured stone, creating visual interest. The design is built around a central, protected courtyard with a pool, which provides a private and shaded oasis from the sun and sand, making it a perfect example of intelligent desert living. 3. The low-slung home with an expansive outdoor living area. This home is all about a relaxed and sun-drenched lifestyle. Its design features a long, linear structure with a large, covered patio that extends across the entire length of the home. This provides ample shade for an extensive outdoor living and dining area, which leads to a stunning pool. The clean lines and use of natural materials like stucco and wood create a resort-like feel. 4. The classic Southwestern Adobe-style home. This design pays homage to the rich history of the American Southwest. The home features thick, rounded stucco walls in a warm, earthy tone that provides incredible thermal insulation. Small, strategically placed windows and a flat roof with a visible drainage system are classic Adobe elements. The aesthetic is both traditional and timeless, evoking a sense of history and cozy comfort. 5. The Brutalist-inspired concrete desert home. This is a bold and uncompromising design that uses raw, durable materials to perfection. The home is built almost entirely of concrete or a similar material, with a stark and monolithic aesthetic. The heavy mass of the material provides superior thermal protection, and the design's dramatic, angular shadows create a dynamic visual effect, celebrating the ruggedness of its environment. 6. The organic desert home integrated into the landscape. This home is an incredible example of biomorphic architecture, appearing to grow directly from the earth. The structure follows the natural contours of the land, using natural stone and earthy textures to blend in seamlessly. The design is all about creating a sense of being part of the environment, with an emphasis on natural light and framed views of the desert horizon. 7. The minimalist modern home with a wood and stone exterior. This design is a celebration of natural materials. The home combines a simple, rectangular form with a beautiful exterior of warm wood and cool, gray stone. Large sliding glass doors open up the living space, creating a seamless flow to the patio. The deep overhangs and thoughtful use of materials provide both style and necessary shade. 8. The luxury desert villa with a multi-level pool. This grand home redefines desert living with its luxurious scale and resort-style amenities. The expansive structure features a warm, earthy exterior and an incredible, multi-level patio that culminates in a stunning pool. This design is all about opulence, with an emphasis on outdoor entertaining and enjoying the panoramic desert views. 9. The architectural gem with a curved roof and exterior. This home is a stunning departure from traditional desert design. The unique, curving lines of the roof and exterior walls give it an organic, sculptural quality. The design uses natural materials and a low profile to blend with the landscape, while the flowing lines create a sense of movement and artistry. 10. The industrial modern home with a dark exterior. This home makes a dramatic statement with its dark, sleek exterior and large glass windows. The industrial aesthetic, with its sharp lines and dark color palette, is surprisingly effective in the desert. The color helps the home absorb heat during the cool desert nights, while the strategic use of window placement and large overhangs keeps the interior cool during the day. From traditional adobe to cutting-edge modern design, desert climate homes are a testament to the power of thoughtful, environmentally conscious architecture. They prove that you don't have to sacrifice style for function, and that a home can be a beautiful, resilient sanctuary even in the harshest of climates. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best modern desert/arid house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.